Welcome back, everybody. Homeboy James is normal. We're gonna tell you about the Volta that I bought. It's a great little unit. Been using it. You can get all your buttons here. You can record. You ain't gotta fumble with this anymore. Pretty cool. 3 times the more battery space right here. Connects right there. Water resistant, not waterproof. Still got the battery in there. So you guys stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. It's Homeboy here. How the fuck are you guys? Hope you guys had a good weekend. Sent my wife out on a wild goose chase yesterday to get the Volta for the GoPro. It's a GoPro accessory. It's $129 at Best Buy. If you're a member of GoPro, you can get it cheaper. You won't get it same day, but they'll ship it. But I think it's pretty cool. I'll start out and talk to you guys about it. It's got the feet on it. I was just gonna buy the normal GoPro, one of the GoPro tripods. And I said, nah, this thing's pretty cool because you know what? It's got 3 batteries built into this, and then you got the other one in there. So that's almost 4 batteries lives in it. Let's roll it. We don't need to carry this crap around anymore. Batteries, battery chargers, get rid of that. If you also live in a hot area, you can run it with no battery in it and just run it straight off of here. So all the heat's in here. It's not in the GoPro running off the battery. Everybody said that works good, so we're gonna try that. So you have it to where you can set it up as a tripod. Oh no, it's facing the wrong way. Well, guess what? It snaps. It rotates. Set it up as a quick tripod. Yeah, it's short. It works. It works for vlogging. It works for all that good stuff. You hold it out, you talk, it works. So we'll close the legs. I also say this, you press this button on the side, there's another GoPro mount there that pops out. It's locked. You can put a light on it, you can do whatever you want with it. It's a GoPro mount. Some people actually put a mount on it and flip this way when they're streaming, or they flip it this way and it's looking at them. They're live on YouTube or Facebook or wherever they want to be, and they have a phone mount and it shows all the comments. Pretty cool, ingenious idea. Now to release that, you press the button in, push it back down. Alright, we're gonna get the cable straightened out. So it comes out, you have all your controls on the back, right there. They are legit, they work. As soon as you plug the camera in, it knows. It says, do you want a Bluetooth with a remote? Well yeah, here's the remote. You have record, you can turn it on, Bluetooth button, or you can press the button for the battery and it shows you how full it is, which I just showed you. Super neat, super cool. It does come with the screw to screw it on, and it does come with the battery cover. Let me get that off. Right here, that plugs into, makes it water resistant, not waterproof. So, look, pretty easy to put it on. You just see me do it. Shove that in, boom, done. Now you're running off this battery, plus your battery in there. So you got a lot of time to record. You don't have to fumble for batteries, such as this. It also comes, how you charge it is on this side right here, right below the power cord, the USB Type-C. I didn't bring that down here in the garage with me today. We record it, or you don't record it, you charge it. Damn it. There you go. Charge it up, you should have power for, I don't know, as long as you're not recording like crazy, you'll be good. Good for a few hours. I mean, I think it's pretty cool. You hold it out, you're like, hey, I'm talking. You ain't gotta worry about your batteries going bad. That's the whole reason I bought it. I was gonna buy the $30 one or the $40 stick And then I was looking at the $69 GoPro stick to hold it on. They did all kinds of stuff. It was like a big tripod. And I'm like, this thing popped up at Best Buy, and I go, I'd rather have more power. Power is the way to go. It's power hour. So 4,900 milliamps. We're all good there. A lot of power. I don't know what else I can say about it. I'm just gonna try it out. I'm gonna use it. And I'm gonna keep it. Dude, I'm not gonna get rid of it. It's gonna go in the GoPro collection, just like everything else has. So you can, like I said, you can turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on right now. Hitting the power button. It's on. Oh, I want to record myself. Guess what I'm gonna do? Boom, boom. I got all the buttons by me, and I switched it to time warp. Guess what? I can press the button at the bottom where it says mode right there, and I switched it right back to recording. And guess what? Hello, how are you guys today? End it, done. Don't have to fumble to hit a button up here, don't have to do anything. Done and over with. So, we're gonna give it a whirl. I'll give you guys a 90-day review after I use it for a while. I think it's a good content for the channel. And you guys all have a good Sunday. Peace.